Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for coming out to Irwindale and partying with me. The video is up in the link above if you haven't seen it. I think we got maybe like 1,000 people coming by to the Edelbrock booth to hang out. A lot of people sat in the car, maybe like 150, 200 people, so it was crazy. This is right now officially, hey, quit welding! Look at these goons, they're like, hi. But this right now is probably the drift car that has had the most people sit in the driver's seat. So once again, link in the bio, we had a really good time. If you took photos with me, you're probably in the video. All right, some really big news coming up. This Thursday, we're going to Adams Motorsports Park in Riverside. The biggest question I've gotten is, how do I get in your car, Spike? How do I get it? How do I ride it? How do I feel what you feel behind the wheel? Well, this is it. So Adams is my home track in Riverside, California. They are the only track that allows people to sit in my car while I drive, and if you're good enough, I might toss you the keys. No, I won't. No, not about that. But at least you can come and sit in the car and have a good time. I'll have this beautiful ACT banner that I'll sign, and I'll have this awesome Edelbrock banner that I'll sign and we'll raffle off. And then also, just for Adams, we're putting this on. A 2.75 pulley for about 4 pounds of more fun. So it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna put it on the Edelbrock blower, raffling this off. Come and get some rides, okay? It's $10 to get in the gate. Make sure you dress up. I think there's a discount if you dress up as a Halloween character. But bring some costumes, bring your friends, have fun, bring a helmet, get in the pits, get in this car. I only have maybe about 10 laps, so just get here early, 6 o'clock, be prompt, be in line, be ready to have the time of your life, okay? See you guys at Adams Thursday, 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. It's Adams Motorsports Park. Cheers.